But me I look up in the ear palace still, you know. Me I look feet. Me I look up the feet. Yeah. And it's like
so by the time me see
whoa.
that was just shocking to me. So I'm looking up, me see him jump off at the side.
Yeah.
And then I'm trying to look, I'm like, alright, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
I feel like I want to go to school, you know.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Hey D Squad, what's up?
How you doing?
Welcome back, guys. Now today we'll be doing the reaction video to our gender reveal party. Alright guys, we know you guys enjoyed that video very much. Now it's now our turn to see it on the replay and give you our reaction to that. Alright guys, we've seen the comments. Alright, and as I said, we know you enjoyed the video very much, so we'll be see what's going on, you know? Alright
guys, let's get to it. So this was actually a very fun day. So I know you actually saw us, you know, you saw a lot of laughter. It was actually a very fun day. So, you know, it was a stressful day, but it was also a fun day.
Yeah guys, because we did the decoration ourselves. And it actually turned out quite nice, you know? You know what? You know? Pop your color. Yeah man, it actually turned out quite nice, you know what I mean? And
thanks to Joe, thanks Joe.
Yeah.
Thanks Joe, our gender bearer. She did a lot of work as well.
Right.
Getting this together, but it was a lot of planning.
Yeah, for real. And also, Ashley, big up yourself. You help a lot too with the decoration.
Yeah.
And Blossom, which is Cass's mom, she was there as well. You're gonna see her in the video, right?
And Adrian's mom as well.
Yeah, man. So we got some help. Yeah, we got some help actually. Yeah, but yeah, so
everybody basically chipped in, you know. So we had our vision, and everybody said, all right.
True. And guys, before going any further, please hit the like button. Alright, very important for us, for the channel, the Delpratt family channel. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet.
And hit the post notification bell.
Yes.
And ensure that you select all, alright?
Right.
So you see all of our videos once they are uploaded.
Yep. Yeah. So this is the intro to the video. Everybody excited. Everybody excited. Everybody excited.
1, 2.
Look at Joel's face. She's like, oh my God.
Joel like she's afraid of balloon.
Trust. Oh my God. Oh my God.
There's one
So
place I
what you guys like
gotta
in our intro?
travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Big up yourself, Fabian. Fabian is my brethren from a long time. You get me? I say, him is actually the artist that create this. Somebody just link Fabian and say, yo, Fabian, I want you do a little intro thing for me. The man say, what you want? I just tell him, and boom, boom. The man come up with this, like.
The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Nice.
Catchy, yes.
So you're a
Oh,
team
Ashley, this is
girl.
Ashley.
Yeah, that's
Full of vibes.
Team girl or boy?
Team boy, man.
My brethren name, you know, Chris and Duncan.
Yeah.
Team
boy, support, you know.
Team boy?
Yeah, this is nice, though.
So this is actually the beginning. We started late, guys. We
Yeah.
started our party pretty late in the day, but it was just awesome.
Yeah. Man. And of course, this is our MC for the evening.
Big
Yes,
up,
me.
Adrian.
Create videos for your business. Hundreds of templates designed to get them performing their
Watch
best
the ads.
Yeah.
with Vimeo Create.
Yeah, that is a must, you know? Alright. So everybody I put on them, you know, choose them side, you know?
Yes. It was actually pretty fun making these. Like we actually made these. Amanda. We made it, we made the board, we made the little stick-ons, and it was so fun. And some of them cues, like, you know?
It feel like a match day still. Like, it's like a serious competition, you know, like with the team boy and team girl, you know, the thing just...
It was though, it was like, I'm telling you guys, like persons were legit convinced.
Yeah, man.
It's a boy.
Right.
It's a girl. Like the team girl, team boy thing, like it was real. Alright?
And people in them feelings like, you know, I'll see later down, but like people legit after the gender reveal, people legit in them feelings where I'm shocked. I never expect that. You know?
Trust me.
Team girl. Woo! Team girl.
Alright.
Yeah.
You mean, Chris? Yeah, mommy.
So you're a team girl or boy?
Exactly.
Mommy said team girl straight.
Team girl all the way. Another girl.
Team boy over here.
That's my sister in blue. And
Yeah, man. Sharon team boy.
In the burnt orange.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Our grand entrance
That
now.
was our entrance.
Yeah.
I actually ordered my dress. I had my dress a little while, you know? Ordered my dress, expected it to come about a week before the gender reveal or 6 days before. Only to see like a few days before it's supposed to actually arrive in Jamaica. I see the Amazon thing pop up saying the dress will be delivered someday after the event. And I'm like, what? Like this dress, I looked at the delivery date, I looked at everything.
Yeah.
The delivery date was supposed to be way in advance. There was a delay, and then the delay gonna be after the event. So you know I had to cancel that, and then I had to go and look at dress in Jamaica. So
You'd rather online shopping?
I would rather online shopping instead of walking up and down, right?
Yeah.
But I got onto it, and I was so lucky. My second or third store that I went into, I actually saw this dress. It was expensive, but I had to take it. It was so cute.
Yeah. The decor really come out nice though. You know, with all them stuff here and everything we see in the decoration between we and Joel, we order everything. The backdrop cloth, we actually we had that from a longer time.
Yeah, from our wedding actually.
Yeah.
Our wedding.
Yeah, man. So the garden setting nice.
That was what I wanted. I really wanted a garden setting.
Yeah.
Because I think it just sets a nice tone. And then the first reason though for the garden setting was social distancing. So we wanted to ensure that we had a big enough space.
Yeah.
That everybody could, you know, lounge out and didn't have to be clustered together.
Already familiar from the wedding. What we're here once more for another Delpratt family event, and today is just as exciting as the one before because today is what?
Team girl day.
Team Girl Day. Team Girl Day.
My name is Delpratt family gender.
I don't know if you hear the little girl in the background. That's my niece Malika. And she was fully on to the Team Girl thing. Yeah?
Let's think of one boy.
The keeper of gender is among us, and once the time is right, the person steps forward. So to officially begin, we'll start off with a game of baby bingo.
Yes.
Team girl.
Mandy well up on the team girl side. So I go through and I try and raise everybody else to stick out right.
Yes!
Line win.
He won!
Line was first.
Alright, great. We have a prize. So guys, you see, just participate and you'll
This is the
To the table. So you guys would have seen, like we had a little prep video, and you would have seen some of these items before, like our flowers that are on the table,
Yeah.
the marshmallows, and you guys are seeing the cake.
Yeah,
Like,
man.
the cake was awesome. The cake was awesome. Big up it again. Like you
Yeah.
really put your foot in it, alright?
Yeah,
You loved
man.
it and it was very beautiful.
We're gonna actually leave a link for her, you know, because she deserves, you know, so an honorable mention.
She did our wedding cake as
Yes,
well.
yes, she did our wedding
Like,
cake as well.
We had a nice hanging cake for our wedding and it was nice as well. It was awesome.
Guys, stay tuned for the wedding video, right? Well, the wedding video will show up on soon, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Alright? So this is the edible decor, and of course this is the cake what we are talking about. The cake shot.
Yeah.
You see me, I can't envision all of this. She come out with all of this and you know she do a good job, and all that, you know? It come out good. It come out good. It look professional.
I liked it as well. I think that at the end of the day, I came up with the vision, but everybody else helped me to execute it, and that one was just awesome.
More games again. And they're giving
Their suggestion.
Yes.
So that girl in white that you see right there is my sister. You hear her suggestion? Don't leave the
a
baby
white or blue sheet.
alone. White.
Okay, yeah.
Don't leave the baby
Oh, yeah.
on the bed alone.
Yeah.
And she knows why she gave that suggestion.
Of course, the cameraman right here, man. Make sure I'm getting all the shots them. You know, man. You know what I mean?
Where? Which way? This way?
Yeah. So at least we have plenty pictures. So, you know? And Jaden.
Look at the face, man. And I thought my baby was big right here, guys. You just see it now.
And I know that we've been enjoying ourselves.
Get it?
Little game, little mingling. But I'm gonna ask the keeper of the gender to come here for me.
Alright, so this is the part where we trick them. We trick them. So we're here today to know the gender of the speech. Personally, really speech. Nerve-wracking, you know? I'm really excited to know, you know, what's up. You understand? Because really want to bring up my little youth. You understand? To be honest, a team boy. Where is Jaden? Team boy? Yeah man, a team boy with a fun still, you know? But I mean, whichever, if it's a little girl come, we love her swimming, right Jaden? Huh? Yeah. You can play with her? Huh? The for the girl thing, I speak one thing. I said for that. Yeah guys, Jaden, I'm not sure about the girl.
Alright, what does Tess have to say?
Well, I want a boy and a girl. So,
Which one first?
You want a boy and a girl?
eventually. This one. Eventually. So eventually I want a boy and a girl. But boy, everybody did have them own a side and it was so convincing. Like my mom was like, every single girl that she has always has a girl first. And that's true. Like we always have a girl first. But I'm like, well, okay. And then my sisters were all convinced that it was a boy. My mom was like,
You know, so they feel like they just want to be rebellious, that's why they want to do that. I said they want to go team boy.
No, Shanika actually said that she had a dream. She said she had a dream that the baby was born and she saw a pretty little boy baby and says it was so pretty and that all she wanted to do was kiss him. So she was convinced from that dream that it's a boy.
Okay.
So, find a kicker, but not a twin, not a twin.
Not a twin for sure.
Anyone I get, I'm just so happy with. I want a healthy baby and a safe and easy delivery. That's what I'm hoping for. Oh, and safe carriage. Because carriage can be rough.
Yeah, but carriage can be rough. You want to carry a baby yet?
Hello, I'm in the process right now, so I'm not saying like carriage can be rough, alright? Like this little one is small at the moment. And when I see, I was showing Adrian yesterday, my belly was literally moving like a jelly. You know when you have a like a plate of jelly that is set and you just touch it and it starts moving? That's how much movement this boy in there making, alright? So, he might kick down the place. So carriage can be rough.
Oh, and by the way guys, there will be a link to the registry. The registry link will be in the description. Alright guys, so For those persons who, you know, want to purchase, you can definitely refer to the description. Alright guys? Yeah, so come Joel.
But the next thing to you know, you hear Adrian, but oh, in my team boy, all along we are asking what he wants, like him no know anything. All of a sudden on the appointed time, like what is it gonna be? It's like I'm team boy.
No, well, we cannot swear a little weird still. But to be honest, any way it go, me cool still. Me cool.
Alright. But you want to become. Maybe see your face if it was actually a girl.
Team girl, I get the forward.
Here, Chris. Chris and the cameraman, you know.
After 2.
Look at their face anticipating. It was so cool.
Team girl. After 2.
We were so bad. Look at them. Cameras out, you know.
2, 1, 2.
Good job. You got the suspense. Boom! Watch Anika. Watch Anika. Now show no. Watch her. Lord God. Watch her.
Oh my God.
So you guys thought was gonna come so early?
Really, like they were really anticipating it, you know, because Shanika, look on her mouth.
Underwhelming, guys. Delpratt family. There's your face. This is the Delpratt family. We go big or go home. So, you know, we're gonna have a little more games before the actual.
That was so cool.
Mommy and Daddy's gonna write
I know,
things
like
and
we kind of did chicken, but it was so cool. So I've seen your faces, like that was cool.
Some more games today.
It's official.
Alright,
Alright,
this
the
now.
time.
This are the real thing
Time that
now.
we've been waiting on.
Are the real thing this now.
Alright. Again, I'm gonna ask
Official.
Keeper
Hey,
of
me
the
did
gender
nervous, you know.
You were?
to get your
Yeah, man,
items
me did
ready.
nervous, man.
It is official. This is what we've been waiting on. This is why we're all here.
I was
Right?
excited
No,
because
look
to
at
know-
me right there, so. Look at me right there, so.
like, yeah, like look at your face. I was like,
Alright.
It is official. This is
Look at me,
this
look
is what
at
we've
me,
been
look
waiting
at me.
on. This is why we're all here.
Look at me. You see that lean back there?
oh, are you nervous about though?
Me just anxious, me don't know like
Like what?
the anticipation, like you get me I say?
I was just like,
And look on Jaden. You see, like nerves are jangling so.
yeah, y'all. I'm just like, I don't want to know. I saw so much cute girl stuff. And then when I talked to my mom, she convinces me that I'm having a girl. When I talk to my sisters, they convince me having a boy.
Yeah.
With a girl, I want my tutu. With a boy, I want my suit. I want my nice little pants.
You just want to know what is what.
Everything more. Most of it, get to it already. I want to know what the future has in store.
Yeah. Alright.
And we need to get the last picture.
Yeah, the suspense music too.
Alright,
Oh my God.
shine the light. We are ready. Yes. Keep our agenda.
Whoa, you see me all come so on.
Yeah, man, this is like
Yeah, man, this is really, you know? Nerve jungle, man, not like. Yeah, and Joe did a good job with this too. You know? Yeah.
you ready?
Man.
Where you want the angle from?
So, guys, we're gonna cover
Wow.
it. We're gonna go.
It was really a nice vibe.
Everyone can
You know?
It's a shirt mouth, your shirt.
Everyone can see.
We're about to have a gender flyer fireworks.
There we go.
Please don't go in front of me.
You know what shocked me about this? How fast those things popped out. I expected to like kind of like it's like at even a 2 turn, but like 1 turn,
Boom.
and I was like that kind of caught me. Like I was just like so quick. and then by the time he must go so and be surprised by the poof, a lot of stuff been going on. Yeah, go see. Yeah, go see.
Oh, so you that look. Oh, so you actually like a look. Me see what go on, you know. Me just see what go on.
Please don't go in front of me.
You still a look on this something, you know, look up. Yeah. A true.
So it's
A
like,
true,
I
a
expect
true.
you to give it like a 2-turn.
Yeah. Because it surprised you. It surprised you, true.
So it just popped out, like.
Yeah. Me I look up in the ear pan still, you know. Me I look feet. Me I look up the feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's like
So by the time me see him face, I am surprised by the boom. I look up and I'm trying to, and I look up and it's surprised. I'm seeing a lot of stuff going on like when I see him jumping yet, you know, there's like a better angle.
Hold on there. Find it.
There's a better angle that you are going to
Hold on
see
there.
exactly how much jumping this guy was going on with.
Yeah.
We never know, like.
Oh, see it here, guys.
Yeah.
I'll put it on the screen, guys. Yeah. See it here?
Like,
Jason video this and send it back to me. Watch out. Whoa. Oi.
that was just shocking to me. So I'm looking up, we see him jump off at the side.
Yeah.
And then I'm trying to look, I'm like, alright, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
I feel like I want to call him a scorer, you know.
And then I looked down, I saw blue. But you see, by the time I must see the blue, this guy was full on jumping, like
Yo.
like
I feel like a World Cup with the score a goal to her heart.
I'm gonna see my jump. Me have to look when he was jumping up. Like him jumping.
Well, then look on Vivian to know. Vivian, man. What Vivian to what? Yo.
Him look at him score a goal for true.
What
You
Vivian?
know, when you play football, you see a big goal score and your side win, winning goal. Come and say the winning goal him score.
Yeah.
When him see the blue.
Man.
Like this guy take off jumping. The mirror was saying that jump high. Him jump high.
And Shanika, me know.
Him jump high and I'm like, and then everyone in front of me was like, it was a good moment. For me, I was like,
Chris, get what? Jaden a jump. And getting wish. Jaden getting wish. Chris, I can't hold the camera right now. Chris caught in that moment.
it was nice. Like everybody's reaction, like to me, in the moment, I know like, yes, I'm supposed to be like, in the moment, I'm just literally trying to catch everybody's reaction.
Yeah.
Because people had strong reaction, like, did you see that jump? The celebration.
Next time they have definitely having a girl.
You know, say Amanda really, other man said she want a niece, you know, till today, you know, I tell you, now see the interview with her after. Well, yeah, but it's a prank. It's a prank, guys. The boy she want. He's a crying girl.
Somebody Bluetooth drop out. Somebody Bluetooth drop out.
Hey, see the again?
That reaction.
Watch it.
See a bit from early.
Lord God, the same video on the show again while I'm like this guy.
We're not talking about it now, fellas.
Yeah, man, bad man. Yeah, bad brother.
So this morning, right? We were at home hearing, and I said to her, we're talking about what gender, and I said, oh, you know, guys, I had a dream last night. I dreamed that there was guests at my house, and I had 3 kids. In the dream, I had 3 kids. I had 2 boys and 1 baby girl. So I had like a boy like this, and a baby girl. And then I was like, oh my God.
So actually, so what was summarized from the whole dream is that say that boy like this, a boy like this, and a baby girl.
Baby girl.
So the boy like this, a Jaden, the next boy, the one in our belly. So the girl now, at the most of the next time we'll go back. So
2 years time. Listen, babe.
yeah.
We are thinking about it. Let's actually deliver this one first.
Alright.
But this was awesome. It was awesome.
You had 3 kids, but it's like 2 boys.
But Blossom was so sure that it's gonna be a girl.
Blossom sure say.
Y'all should have seen my mom's face. It was like, oh my god, is this even possible? All my girls have girls first. Well, I'm the last one to have a baby, and I guess I just changed it. So I don't know. So, back it was a boy. So, team boy. It's official.
Alright, we can come.
Team boy all the way.
Wow.
Yeah, man, so team
watching
boy,
this video. You're Chris
come up next.
Bala, come up.
Hopefully is a Barcelona fan or a Liverpool.
No.
Not Man U. Boy, you just
straight.
love Man U, but you know it.
Yeah, I'm getting bored. I'm getting hurt desire.
One more United fan, you know?
United, you know?
One more United fan in the place.
Good.
Oh my gosh. And now it's time to enjoy the
You have Miss Team Boy, mommy?
No, really, but I'm just glad. I just want a healthy grandson.
Yes.
You understand? I really have granddaughter I'm the one. I say no.
So,
I'm happy, you know, I'm
Watch
very
out,
happy
watch out.
to have another nephew, another Jaden. Very grateful. Very, very grateful.
I try to find my Amanda part where Amanda come back. So me never really know so that's how Amanda really feel about having a knee.
It never comes straight. What to anyone, yeah?
Never come straight. Guys, to be honest, regarding my reaction, me never expect reaction still. You understand? It's not like say
Your
one.
reaction was classic though.
Yeah, it's like me never and I like say me do never want a girl and it's only a boy me do want. It's like for me, I would just overcome with joy to actually learn the gender. That was it. That was just it for me.
Yeah.
You understand? Me did sway a little more to the boy side, you know. But I mean, if it was a girl, me sure me that react the same way. Yeah.
Okay.
I would. I think so. I think so. Yeah, guys. So it was fun, you know, seeing it on the replay.
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
You know?
We did our fair share of planning. You know, we have a very good group of people supporting us. And yeah, we really enjoy sharing this moment with them.
Yep. Yeah, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, we certainly did.
Yeah, we did.
Alright. Now hit the thumbs up. Alright, and remember to subscribe to our channel.
Hit that notification bell, guys. Hit it
Yep.
and select all.
Alright, D Squad. Peace out.
Bye.